I think the only way to change behavior is to change thinking. And what I try to tell people is, and it sounds ridiculous, but this is something that came to me on a boat once, is that you got to treat everybody as if it's you living another life. If we could all do that, if we could all picture any person, would you be any different than that person? If you were that man, if you were that woman, would you be any different? Are you them? You know, if that person was born you, would they be you? And are we all the same like that? And is that what life really is all about? Is figuring out that each one of us is exactly the same. We're just living through a different biological circumstance. And the more you can treat everyone you meet like they're you living another life, the happier you'll be. And that's the only way we're ever going to sort this thing out. Is everyone has to do things based on that ideal.